All right, I've started to put clay on armature, and I will come back when I get it a little further along. I don't usually start out with the skeletal structure. I used to do it all the time. That's how I taught myself. But it's a good way of teaching yourself how to sculpt it by creating the skeletal structure and then adding the muscles to it. I decided to switch to the upper part of the body first. I don't know why I'm getting so detailed in the bone structure, because he's going to be wearing clothes, so nothing bone wise or muscle wise is really going to be shown in detail. Just I need the shape, not the detail. I guess all I'm going to get to do today is rough it in. I'm just double checking the head measurement. We're good. When you're doing a sculpture of a human, you've got to be very careful not to make the head bigger than what it should be, or smaller. Anatomy points like the scapula will probably show through the shirt, so I create the scapula, and so I just sketch in the shape of the scapula. The scapula is usually about a head length in length. I've just changed his arm position. I think what I would have him do is pull a gun from behind himself. I can imagine him carrying a gun stuck in his belt in behind. I gotta think about this. Or grabbing a knife. The gun wouldn't work. I like that arm position though. I'll have to think about that one. As you can see, I'm just sketching in the shape of the muscles that I'm going to need underneath the clothing. Yeah, I think I might just have him pulling a knife. Not quite certain what I'm going to do yet. It's still a fluid idea. It's just as I work on it, it will develop. It's getting cold in the studio because I turned off the heat, and so this clay is stiffening up a little bit. Oh. Well, I think you can see how I'm approaching the anatomy here. Tomorrow I'll work on his legs. All right, everybody, that's going to have to do it for tonight. All right, I just figured it out. I was getting ready to go upstairs, and I decided to go ahead and start filling in the base a little bit, so at least I can start the feet on the mountain man. And then I thought, why not just try and see what it would look like with a gun? And this would be the handgun he would have. It would be back here behind his back inside his belt, and his hand is grabbing it. Well, his hand, the palm of his hand is facing this way, so his fingers would be wrapping around the gun handle, and I think that works, and it really works nicely for the idea that I'm trying to work out here with the rifle and everything. So anyway, I'm just a last minute decide to try and see what it'll do. And I think what I'll do is I'll make the handgun out of monster clay because it'll hold its shape better. Yeah, I think that would work out nicely. All right, everybody, have a great night, and I'll see you tomorrow. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.